Introduction: JavaScript is a dynamic, high-level, interpreted programming language widely used for client-side scripting in web browsers. JavaScript has powerful inbuilt methods for manipulating arrays, like the array.prototypeMap method. What is JavaScript Array Map? The Array Map method in JavaScript provides a way to iterate over an array and perform operations, transforming the elements. It creates a new array with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the array it was called upon. It does not mutate the original array, but instead returns a new one, leaving the original array unchanged. Understanding the syntax, the map function takes two arguments: a callback function that is executed on each element in the array, and an optional thisArg parameter. The callback function itself takes three parameters: current value, the current element being processed, index, optional, and array, optional. Usage and examples. A simple example of using the map function is to square all numbers in an array. The map method is called on the numbers array, with the callback function squaring each number, and that squared value becomes the element in the new squares array. Tips and tricks. Remember that map does not change the original array. If you want to store the results, assign it to a new variable. Arrow functions can be used to make your map operations more succinct. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. A common mistake is to forget that map returns a new array. If you don't assign this returned array to a new variable or use it directly, the operation performed by map will be lost. Another common mistake is not returning anything from the callback function, resulting in a new array filled with undefined. Always assign the result of map to a new variable if you plan to use it later, and ensure your callback function has a return statement.